2020 and we made it, and we doing big things and we doing different things. We're expanding our lipsticks lines, and guess what? We're starting with the lipstick palette. Yes, your girl got this lipstick palette from Amazon. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below. And the Cosmetic Pans, this magnetic, as you can see, so they come on and off. But I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon of the Very Veelo Beauty lipstick bullet base, and I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna add that right to my beaker. You guys know I sell this on my website, and I also have a video showing you. I'll be sure to link both in the description box. And shortly after that, I'm going in with the same amount, same measure of 1/4 teaspoon of the Very Veelo Beauty Isododecane Remix, and that is on my website as well. That's going to help matte our product out and also help hold our lipstick together in the pan. I got these cute paint mixers from the Dollar Tree in the arts and crafts section, and I'm using the mini measuring spoons from TKB Trading because we don't want to waste any product or any concentrate, so we're only using like a little tiny pan. So basically I'm just going in with these small measuring spoons, and I'm going to be starting off with a dash. The first color that I'll be using is 1 dash of the white liquid concentrate from veryveelobeauty.com, and I'm just gonna put that white liquid concentrate right into our paint mixer. The second color I'm going in with in the same measure is a dash of the red liquid concentrate. Now I'm going in with a dash of the yellow liquid concentrate, and I'm actually making that beautiful red orange color that you see me wearing at the beginning of a video because I felt like that just had to be a part of our lipstick palette. So yes, yellow is already added. Now I'm just taking this paint mixer that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, and I'm mixing these liquid concentrates together before I add them to the beaker. I'm going to be mixing everything separately before I add it to the beaker. I forgot to tell you guys that I already set the beaker inside of the pot of hot water and now I'm going in with a smidgen of titanium dioxide, and that's just gonna basically brighten it up a little bit and make our color payoff pop the way that we want it, because we want it to have a great color payoff. So we're just adding that, and I'm mixing it in very well. You want to be sure to mix this really well because you don't want any remnants of the white coming in through your pan or as well as when you swatch. So I am just basically working that in really good. But like I said, I added that beaker that contained the base as well as the ISO remix in a pot, and I turned the pot on 1. I know in the past I've turned the pot on medium, but you really can just turn it on low because it's easier and it's less hot, and you wouldn't have your beaker hopping all over the pot because the water boiling. So one is just a safer way. I'm going in with a tad of the FD&C red number 40 Alum Lake, and I'm going to add this in increments because of course a tad is too much for our little mixer. And guys, a tad, a smidgen, a dash, that's all a part of those mini measuring spoons. That's all that I'm using to make these pans. But yes, I'm adding this FD&C Alum Lake from MakeYourOwn.Buzz. It is batch certified, and I'm mixing it in really good in increments. Right here, I'm just going in with a swatch for progress, and that is a beautiful poppin' red orange. Here I'm gently taking the beaker out of the pot, and as you can see, you guys, with it being on one, you're less prone to burn yourself. And it's safer. So I'm adding that mixture right into my beaker, and I'm just scraping it, trying to get as much of the excess that I can right into my beaker so that I can continue to mix with this mixing tool in my hand. You can use your Nora Pro mixer, and I'm making a mess, oh my gosh. You can use your Nora Pro mixer if you want, but I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it by hand because I know not everyone has a mixer, but I just wanted you guys to know that you can do it both ways. So I'm mixing it by hand really well and fast because you know this bullet base do not play. It will form on you. So I am mixing it really good, at least while it is still in its liquid state. And after that, I am going to take it and pour it in a pan and put it in the freezer for a minimum of 15 minutes. Moving right along to the next color, I am going in with the Very Veelo lipstick bullet base again. And I am going to be adding that to my beaker in 1/4 teaspoon. And I have a video showing you guys how to make this, but I can ship it to your door with love. I mean, it's nothing. You're going to get your base regardless. So I'm just putting it inside of my beaker, and that is 1/4 teaspoon. Because the pan is so small, we don't need that much. So I'm just closing it up and putting it away. And I'm going in with the same measure of the ISO Remix, also from veryveelobeauty.com. And I am putting it inside of my beaker. And immediately after this, I will go ahead and sit it inside of that pot of hot water. You guys, it's a little bit of hot water in the pot, just covering basically the first part of the beaker. And I'm taking my art tray and I am going to get ready to mix up this green. So I'm going in again with a dash of the white. I like to start with the white because it helps us to see the color come together so beautifully. And then I'm going in with a dash of the liquid concentrate in blue and in yellow, I'm sorry. The blue would be next, but I'm going in with a dash in blue. Yes, so I did white, then yellow, then blue, because we know that blue and yellow makes green. Now I'm going in with a smidgen of the black liquid concentrate, and you guys, I added it off camera because my camera shut off. So this is what it looks like once you've added the black and mixed it in really good. Now I'm going in with a smidgen of the white titanium dioxide, and I'm gonna mix that in very well. And like I said before, this is gonna establish that color payoff that we want and need. Okay, so now I'm going in with a smidgen of the FDSC yellow number 5 and also the blue number 1, and I'm going to mix it together in our bowl first. And after that, I'm going to add it in increments to our pan because it's just too much for our pan. So I'm adding it in increments and mixing it very, very well. Here we are gently removing the beaker again, and I am going to transfer our mixture to the beaker, and I'm making sure that I'm scraping the excess and getting it all in there. And I'm going to mix just like I did the first time with my hand mixer or scraper, and I'm going to just mix this together really well and really fast. Now it's time to pour into the pan, and I'm filling the pan slowly into the top, and I'm going to remove this and sit this in the freezer also for 15 minutes. Take a look at this beautiful, royal, prosperous, abundant green that we made, and it's gonna be the second color on our lipstick palette. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited. So many new ideas. So much fun. This is absolutely beautiful. And there we have it. We have started our lipstick palette. I can't wait to finish it with you guys. Thank you so much, Lipstick Gang, for stopping by. All of your love, all of your support. Oh my gosh, you guys are through the roof. Lipstick Gang strong. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year.